Good evening, students. Welcome back to 7th Standard Social online class. Students, today we are going to study a new lesson in Civics Unit number 2, Media and Democracy. What do you mean by media? Nowadays, people they are exchanging their ideas, they are communicating their ideas through various means of media like YouTube, WhatsApp, phone, newspapers, like that. Democracy means rule of the people. So, this media and democracy we are going to study now. Traditionally, India has many folk forms of communicating with the people in rural area. Karihata and Kutu are originally a religious media from in which the stories were propagated. Karigata, storytelling, Kutu, they are making dramas. In this way, they are propagating the religious ideas to the people. It is a collective form of music, dance, speech, storytelling with comic interlude. It has tremendous effect in communicating the messages straight into the hearts of the people. So through music, through dance, and giving speech, and by storytelling and making some comedies, the exchange of ideas reach the people very fastly. Then socially relevant messages were passed through this medium. Modern methods to address small and medium gathering include seminars, dramas, public meeting and workshop, etc. So these are the modern method making, conducting seminar meetings and dramas and making workshop. In this way, they are also spreading the news to the people. Print media has been referred to as people university. Note this one. Print media, it is called as people university because they perform the role of public informer. The newspapers, they are spreading their news to the people. So it is known as public informer and educate and custodian of the public interest. Let us discuss about media and its role. What is media? Every individual person is a medium of expression. Each and every individual person, they are exchanging their ideas to others. So each and every person is a medium of expression. An individual interact through the media to reach other individual and institution. Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. Communication means exchange of ideas. Media include every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium. Media is the plural form of the word medium. Note this one. Media is the plural form of the word medium. Such a medium or media allows to communicate. This media allows communicate or exchange of ideas, messages, thoughts, views, etc. Classification of media. Narrowcast media, cable television, direct mail, seminar. These are narrowcast media. Broadcast media, film, television, radio. Print media, newspaper, magazine, journals, books, posters, reports. Web media, Google website and blogs. Social media, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. So these are the classification of media. Note this one. The communication can be classified. We can divide the communication into two, personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication, the exchange of ideas between two persons. It is known as personal communication. For example, for personal communication, letter, telephone, cell phone, email and fax. Mass communication, these are used for the exchange of ideas with the masses, group of people. Newspapers, radio, TV, collectively, they are termed as mass communication. Printing press, no, this one important GK question and one word question. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the year 1453. Note this one. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the year 1453. Now we will see the fourth pillar of democracy. Already we know that three branches of democracy: legislative, executive and judiciary. And media is also the fourth pillar of democracy. You see here, there are three pillars in our constitution: legislative, executive, and judiciary. The fourth pillar, you know this one, it's a pen, is a media. The fourth pillar of democracy are legislative, executive, judiciary, and media. Media ensure the transparency in the working of all the above three systems. So media exposes what is going in legislature and executive judiciary. This fourth pillar of democracy ensures that all people living in far off areas of country are aware of what is happening in the rest of the country. So we can know what is going in other countries, what is the news, current news. So everything we can know through this media. In fact, mass media is the most important vehicle for information, knowledge, and communication in a democratic polity. Note this one: mass media is the most important tools to know the information and the knowledge and communication. Now we will see the importance of media. Media is a very powerful entity on the earth. It is a mirror because it shows what is going in the country. It is a mirror. It shows the various social, political, and economic activities around us. People depend on the media for various needs, including entertainment and information. Media keeps the people awakened and it has become one of the major instruments of social change. See this one, media is it gives awareness to the people and it makes some social change in the society. Media not only bring out the day-to-day happenings in the world, but also exposes the strength and weakness of the government. So through newspapers and various radio, television, we can know the day-to-day work of the government and work of the world, and also it strengthens the weakness of the strength and weakness of the government. Also, we can know. It also advertises the various products. We can see some advertisement for various products by the private companies. It creates awarenesses. All the TV channels broadcast national and international news. Social problems are portrayed. Various social problems are picturized in many cinemas. Media provide a balanced report on any matter. It fights against the socio-political evils and injustice in our society while bringing empowerment to the masses and facilitating development. So through media we can know the various social problems in our country. All India Radio, yeah, it was officially called as Akashavani from 1956. Before 1956, it was called as All India Air Radio, Voice from the Sky. It is a radio broadcaster of the Government of India, launched in 1936. Media and public opinion. Media plays a prominent role in the formation of public opinion. So media play an important role in making public opinion. Public opinion means general opinion or people opinion of the public on particular matters or particular issues. The opinion of the people called as public opinion. It is the powerful tool in contemporary times. It has become a part of the everyday life of the people. They play a significant role in shaping a person's understanding and perceptions about the event occurred in our daily lives. The mass media play a significant role in providing honest, intelligent, and usually unbiased accounts of events. So nowadays the mass media play an important role. It is very honest and intelligent also, and it is impartial. The newspaper reflects the response of the people to the government policies. Thus, print media and electronic media helps the people to express their opinion on important social matters. You see here, media, it asks the people opinion by taking some interviews on some related important social issues. Ethic and responsibility. Ethic is a code of value. Not this one. Ethic is a code of value which govern our lives. The code of values We have to follow some rules and regulation. It govern our lives. So they are very essential for moral and healthy life. In the context of media ethics, may be described as a set of moral principles. So ethics means moral principles. The media is expected to follow code of conduct which should be reflected in their reporting and writing. So media they have some ethics, that means they have to follow some rules and regulations. Sensational and distorted news should be avoided. The media should not should not expose the sensational issues. See here, they have to follow some rules and regulations. They have some ethics. The fundamental objectives of media are to serve the people with the news, views, comment, and information on matters of public interest in a fair, accurate, unbiased, and decent manner and language. So this is the ethics of the media. The media they have to expose the news, expose the views, comment, and information. At the same time, their matter should be in a fair way, correct matter they should give to the people. There is no partiality, that is unbiased. There is no partiality. In a decent way and decent language, they have to expose the news to the people. An awakened and free media is very much essential for the function of the government. It has a right to collect information from any primary authentic sources. Authentic, correct. They have to collect the news from a primary authentic sources, original sources, which are important to the society, and then report the same with the aim to inform, not to create sensation. The media has a massive responsibility in providing original, factual coverage. Role of media in democracy. Media is the backbone of democracy. Note this one. For a good democracy, the success of democracy, media plays a very important role. In our democratic society, mass media is a driving force of public opinion. Media strengthen the democratic value. It enlighten and empower the people. Media, it enlighten and empower the people. It educate the voters and ensure that government is transparent and accountable. Media carry every report of action of administration of the government. Based on the information, the citizen can learn about the functioning of the government and day-to-day happenings take place around them. So each and every individual we can learn the function of the government and day-to-day accounts through this media. Theory of democracy. Democracy means, demo means people, crazy means rule. So democracy means rule by the people. It combines two Greek words, demos. It refers to people, citizen. Kreso means either power or rule. So democracy means rule of the people. It arranges the debate on current affairs so that we can get the different views for the same issues. The media arranges some debate, some argument, so through which we can receive the variety of different views of the people on the same issue. Media reminds the government of its unfulfilled promises to the public. Media, it exposes the promises of the government. It educates masses in rural area, that is village area. Parliamentary democracy can flourish only under the watchful eyes of the media. Media not only reports but act as a bridge between, note this one, media, it acts as a bridge between the state and the public, state, government, public, people. Thus, the media act as a watchday of the democratic government. A democracy without media is like vehicle without wheel. So, media act as a wheel. The local media, the local newspaper, local channels, these are called as local media. Usually, media reports the news which of national and global importance, whereas local media, it gives the news about the local area. Now we will see the conclusion. The media in the contemporary world of information and technology, it plays a very important role in educating the masses. It always keep in mind that it should not publish anything which corrupt the public mind and disturb social peace. It gives the original or factual news. It won't disturb any fake. It won't give any fake news, and they won't disturb the public mind or social peace. For healthy society, sharing of views, free flow of information, free communication, and expression play a crucial role. Media, being powerful and important instrument of expression, have got lot of to contribute. Mass media have made the world smaller and closer. Not this one. The mass media it made the world very small. Nowadays, the world in our hand through the mobile. In our mobile, we can get any information at any time. Students, we have completed the civics unit number 2, media and democracy. Today, I will give the short answers and detail. You copy in your class work note and study well. Thank you.